Hi! Do you want to save time and energy by automating your office tasks? Or impress your clients with professional and customized reports and emails? If so, then you are in the right place. Please note, this is an AI voiceover to guide you in this video. Okay, let's discuss today's topic. Today I am going to show you how you can automate your business invoice emails and send them to your customers with just a click of a button or a keyboard shortcut. Here in this Microsoft Excel sheet named Customer List, there are dummy information about customers and their payment information with dues. The purpose of the project is to send custom invoices to each of these customers in PDF format, to inform them about their monthly payable summary. Please note each of these customers will get separate emails and their invoices in PDF format as attachments. As soon as I click on this Send Emails button, Excel will send emails to all the clients in this list. In this case, Excel will send only 4 emails as we have only 4 entries here. As you can see, Excel is already processing the data and sending emails. Let's go to Outlook to see the emails. First, if I go to Outbox, here you can see Outlook is trying to send 4 emails. Outlook is sending the emails one by one. Now if we go to Sent Items, here we can see the 4 emails sent by Outlook. Let's open one of these. Here you can see we are greeting clients by their name, in this case it is Mr. Mateo Johnson, then the message for him as email body, and lastly your email signature. I am going to show you the PDF attachment. If I place Excel and PDF side by side, you can compare the PDF with Excel data. If we check the Excel entry from Mateo Johnson, then we can see his total bill is $11,000, paid amount $8,000 and his due is $3,000. If you see the PDF entry, all the data are same as the Excel file. After calculating the tax and discount, his total payable amount is $3,150. For your convenience, we have also added the payable amount in words option. As you can see here it says $3,150. Similarly, other email attachments contain data of relevant clients. I hope you can see how simple it is to send emails to your clients. Please keep in mind that all of the data you see in this whole project are just for demonstration purposes only. Everything you saw can be customized as per your requirements. Thanks for your interest in my project. Let's discuss about your project. You can contact me by using the link in the description. Thanks.